Ever wondered how to start goat farming but didn't know where to begin? If you think goat farming is too complicated, think again. Starting a goat farm can be a rewarding venture if done right. Whether you're looking to breed for meat, milk, or fiber, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get started and succeed in this profitable and sustainable business. Number 1. Choosing your breed. The very first and most crucial step in goat farming is choosing the right breed. Not all goats are created equal, and selecting the wrong breed can set you back significantly. So, how do you decide? There are different breeds suited for different purposes. If you're looking to enter the meat market, Boer goats are an excellent choice due to their adaptability, hardiness, and exceptional meat production. Savannah and Kalahari Red are also popular for similar reasons. If you're interested in dairy, breeds like Seinen or Toggenburg are renowned for their milk production. There's even a niche market for goat milk, which is a great option for those allergic to cow's milk. And if you're thinking of producing fibers, look into Angora goats for mohair and Cashmere goats for their luxury wool. Take your time to research which breed fits your needs best. As Neo Laburu, a seasoned goat farmer, says, "Do your research properly. Had I started with a quality breed, I would be a commercial farmer now." With the right choice of breed, you'll have a strong foundation for your farm's success. Number 2. Training, experience, and mentorship. Farming is one of those industries where experience can make or break you. While you can read books and articles, hands-on experience is invaluable. You don't want to dive into goat farming blindly. Consider taking some time to work part-time with an experienced goat farmer. Mentorship is another excellent way to learn the ropes. Neo, for example, didn't become successful overnight. She started part-time and found a mentor who guided her through the ins and outs of goat farming. "Experience comes with time," she says, stressing the importance of having someone knowledgeable to guide you. Online courses, practical training, and working directly with goats will equip you with the tools you need to run your farm smoothly. Number 3. Choosing the right land. When starting a goat farm, having enough land is essential. Goats need ample space to graze, roam, and rest. For each goat, you'll need at least 60 square meters of grazing land to ensure their health and comfort. A small herd of 5 goats would require at least 300 square meters of grazing land, for example. It's not just outdoor space that matters. Your goats also need indoor housing. Boer goats require at least 2 to 2.5 square meters of indoor space per goat. This space should be well ventilated and kept dry, as goats are highly susceptible to cold and damp environments. Timber sheds are a good option for goat housing, and proper planning before purchasing your goats is vital. Number 4. Ensuring adequate fencing. Fencing is one of the most crucial yet often overlooked aspects of goat farming. Goats are escape artists. They'll climb, squeeze, and push their way through any weak points in your fencing. That's why investing in high-quality, durable fencing is essential from the start. A strong fence not only keeps your goats safe, but also protects your investment. Neo admits that one of her early struggles in farming was inadequate fencing, which prevented her from buying high-quality Boer goat studs. If goats aren't adequately fenced, they can roam and mix with lower-quality breeds, ruining your herd's genetics. A solid, reliable fence might be expensive up front, but it will save you much more in the long run by preventing escaped goats and maintaining the quality of your herd. Number 5. Feeding and nutrition. Proper feeding and nutrition are vital for the health and productivity of your goats. Goats are natural browsers, meaning they prefer to eat shrubs, leaves, and other roughage over grass. While they can graze on pasture, this alone may not provide all the nutrients they need, especially in commercial farming. Supplemental feeding is key. This includes grains, hay, and commercial goat feeds rich in essential nutrients. Goats also require mineral supplements, including salt blocks, to stay healthy. It's important to monitor their diet closely, especially during the dry season when pasture quality declines. Providing a balanced diet ensures better growth rates, higher milk production, and improved overall health. Water is another crucial element. Goats need easy access to clean, fresh water at all times. Dehydration or contaminated water can lead to serious health issues. Keep in mind that feeding costs will be one of your biggest expenses. Plan your budget carefully, considering both natural grazing and the costs of supplementary feed. Healthy goats will be more productive, whether you're farming for milk, meat, or fiber, making your investment in their nutrition worth every penny. Number 6. Breeding and health management. Goat breeding is an exciting and rewarding part of farming, but it requires careful planning. Typically, female goats, called does, reach sexual maturity around 7 to 10 months old. Breeding cycles last 21 days, and gestation takes around 150 days, meaning you can expect 1 or 2 kids per pregnancy. Timing your breeding program is essential, as it allows for proper management of births and maximizes your goat farm's profitability. Equally important is health management. Like all livestock, goats can suffer from diseases and parasites. Regular health checkups and vaccinations are crucial to keep your herd healthy. Worms are a common issue in goats, so deworming your goats regularly is essential. A healthy goat is a productive goat, so don't cut corners when it comes to health care. Number 7. Marketing and selling your products. Once your goat farm is up and running, it's time to think about marketing and selling your products. Whether you're selling meat, milk, or fiber, having a clear strategy is important. Research your local market to understand what products are in demand. Are people looking for goat meat? Is there a niche for goat milk products? It might be beneficial to work with local markets, restaurants, or even online platforms to sell your products. The key is consistency. Offer high-quality goods, and your customers will keep coming back. Don't be afraid to invest in marketing, whether it's creating a website or social media pages to promote your farm. Challenges in goat farming. Starting a goat farm comes with its own set of challenges, just like any other business. Neo Leberu mentions that being a female farmer in a male-dominated field has its difficulties. She faced skepticism when looking for a mentor and found that many people didn't take her seriously. But with passion and persistence, Neo proved herself in the industry. Another common challenge is the workload. Goat farming is labor-intensive and often requires a helping hand, especially during breeding season or when expanding your herd. Finding reliable labor and managing the physical demands of farming can be tough, but the rewards are worth it. Final tips for new goat farmers. Starting a goat farm isn't an overnight success story. It requires patience, passion, and a lot of hard work. But as Neo says, do not be afraid. This is doable. With the right breed, the right land, and the proper guidance, you can build a thriving goat farming business. Take your time, learn from others, and don't rush into commercial farming without experience. Research is your best friend, and so is a mentor. So, if you've ever dreamed of raising goats and building a farm from scratch, now is the time to get started. The market is big, the opportunities are even bigger, and success is within your reach. Goat farming can be a profitable and fulfilling venture for anyone with the right knowledge, passion, and patience. If you've been considering starting your own goat farm, this step-by-step guide gives you everything you need to begin your journey. Remember, it takes time to see the fruits of your labor, but with dedication, the rewards are vast. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more farming tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.